Hello, good morning or evening. This is my final project submission. I'm Gregory Guffan. Okay, here I build the blog. It's a, a very well built blog. Took my inspiration from the work of the website Jose from um, first of all the guy from Coding from Entrepreneur and also the one from Simple is better than complex. Okay, I'll give a brief explanation of what the website does. It's a blog at the basis. The first step, the first part is it is categorized such a way that we have categories. From categories, we have articles, and articles we can make comment in articles, and each comment we can make reply on them. And when you have your article, you have a comment, a particular comment, you can make a thread of that comment. So that's basically what the website does, and it also have a login, a yeah, login registration, password forgetting, which are related to emails. So all these things are well implemented inside. So I'll go through the whole process and then we'll see it together. So let's say okay, I'm already registered. I will go to home page. Then while I'm in, you can see there are already categories that I've added in it. Sorry if it is in French, where you have the top bar is the menu. It's even in English, I say in French. And down there we have the categories and then the articles. Yeah. Then you can view the category, and here you have the latest post, and it works. If I add another post, another articles, it will just appear up there. And when I press in a category, here I have two categories. Normally this one it looked like an article, but it's a category, and only the admin user can add category, can create category. This the only person who can do it. And when you press in a category, it will link you to. So this is the detail of a category. The detail of a category is a list of articles, and in each article, here's a list of articles. You see, if I add other articles, it will just start here. And this one is a search engine, it also works. And when I press on an article, you see it here is titled, and the person who created the article, the date at which he created it, and a picture if he provided a picture with on his profile. Mm, yeah, here you have the tag that are related to the articles, and here it shows you the last three articles that have been the last three inserted articles on the website. And here you can post my new post. Mhm. And you see, I can make comment on articles, and when I do like this, it will just refresh the page and then give me the possibility to either make it as a thread, so isolate the comment, or reply on that comment. Reply on this comment. So I can press reply, so it refresh. And this worked only because I'm connected. As you can see here, if I wasn't connected, it would have told me to actually register or connect. And from thread, when I press on thread, it isolates the comment on that article. That's what it would do. You see, shows you the articles, and then you here down there you will see replies that are made on it. So this basically what it does. So yeah, I can go back. Yeah, this is the Sheen, and here you have the profile where you can view the user profile, and this is borrowed from simple is better than complex, and I've added some other logic to implement it to my project. And here you have a profile, you can update it, so it's very straightforward, it work well. So if I say Chiri guy Azok, and job title IT dev, location Cameroon, Douala, everything. Yeah, see it updates very well. It shows you the number of comments, the number of reply, and the number of articles that are made in it. And you can even change the image. So if I press here and I select, oh, do I have an image here? Do I have an image of myself? No, it's an image of, yeah, of my bro. That's it. Save. Then, okay, it's not well centralized, but that at least it works. So here we have the contact. If I maybe say someone want to send me an information, my name is Wilson, my image Wilson Mubeke family, a message from a satisfied satisfied user. Then I send it. Sorry, normally it should be a message that's supposed to cover. Sorry, what's this? Okay, it didn't work. Certainly because I didn't set the SMTP, but you can see the rest of the site works very well. Um, yeah, so this is my final project, and admin interface. So okay, now we show the blog part, either the blog or the category. They will send you to a markdown like this, where create category, that's the title, new category, um, mobile mobile phone, latest update on mobile devices. So which one would I take? Let me just quickly grab an image on internet. S20 Samsung. I create a tag mobile phone, and I submit. You can see that here I view the slug. So each link are slugifying, so that the user from the link it can actually have an idea of what the category look like. So when I create a category, direct me send me to that category, as you can see. Mm. So if I go to blog, Then I can create a new block and then link it to a category. So that's how it works. So you see, it's a markdown form. This is the one I've implemented myself. I link it to mobile phone. So title, not. Mhm. So this is my topic. And as you are writing, it will just show you how your article will look like. So here I have Xiaomi, Xiaomi, a rising giant in the phone industry, is making big Sam- Samsung in April to modify their plan. Fine. So you add an image that will appear as a jumbo box of on top of the blog page. So Xiaomi My 10 Pro. So now I create the post and sorry, let me just correct. The error was due to the fact that the slug I set was not having a max length. So I just increased the max length in the slug and then it's just I'm sure that when I restart now everything will be okay. So again, okay, I forgot to make the migration. So make migration and then where is the migrate? It's not even seeing the changes. Okay, let me close this batch first. Completed. Run batch. Sorry for this part, but it also show you that I was the one really working in this project, and sometimes build can occur. Maybe you don't want to. I'm sure you don't want to evaluate the error occurs, so I will just pause it. Okay, so the bug was due to the size of the title of the created blog. So now you can see the blog is created. When I press on it, can actually seize it with the name of the person. I can make comments on that blog. Yeah, so that's it. We were able to create a category, create a bug, make comment on a bug on a blog, and then from the blog we can either reply on the comment or go to the thread where the comment part is isolated from the rest of the blog stuff. So this is basically what the site does. And the SMTP was not working just because I've updated and I blocked my email address. Sorry if you see this error. I was not able to bring it to the prod version. I was only able to leave it and debug equal to true, not false. So that's the reason why we are seeing all those bugs instead of seeing 4 4 or internal or 5 5 1 or 5 3 or 5 5 503 501.